Hello everybody, welcome to another video, and in this one we're going to be doing a January barometer for gold for 2026. I'm stressing gold because gold is something that nobody really does. People do S&P 500, of course, people do Bitcoin and other stuff, but I don't really see the gold, and I don't understand why, because this on the screen, these white bars, this is not 2026 barometer, January barometer. This is the 2025 January barometer for gold. And just look at this. Just look. I did not make these bars up. This is the January of 2025 price action created. You create a fractal out of it and you stretch it on the hole here, and this is what you get. I did not make this thing up. You could have drawn these bars in February 2025 when you were here. You could have drawn them right here and you would have seen this. So look how consistent it was. Unfortunately, I didn't bother to make the old barometers. I wasn't backtracking it as much because I'm already convinced that the January barometer for gold is important and is worth for me to pay attention to, and that's why now I'm telling this to you. And I'm gonna show you. What do I see? So this is the January barometer for 2026. So actually quite shocking. So first of all, what we see is that we are completely away from the barometer. like this what happened in January, like this is really extreme. I did buy puts, I won. it was long-term puts. I documented it on X. Follow me there on X. I was expecting, I even made a video. Gold was 5,500 and I made an education video for free for everybody to see how to buy puts on gold. And on one day, I released the video, and in one day, the puts were like 100% more. So basically, if you just bought them at the video as I did, so I closed them already basically because it was just this dump was also extreme, but also this pump was extreme. So basically, we are really. I think we need to kind of come to the mean right now, and I think it's very good to have this barometer because basically maybe this channel is going to be kind of a mean. So I do think we are going to come back down in the coming days. Mel Mattison has been opening new all-time high puts, short-term puts. I'm really seriously considering unfollowing him, but anyway, I think we have to come back to this, basically to what barometer is showing us. It's right now, it's 4.6 thousand per ounce, and I think there is a good chance that still this year that we are still gonna be grinding, just like the barometer is showing. The barometer is showing another year of relentless grinding of gold upwards, and sometime in Q3, Q4, the barometer is showing that we are going to make the new all-time highs, break 5.5 thousand per ounce, and then have some kind of a even like something like this that is going to happen again this year, and it's going to happen sometime in Q4, and that is, in my opinion, going to be quote unquote finally, unless you are a hodler for gold, then it's not gonna be finally for you. You will hope like, yeah, please, another year like this. But for basically everybody sidelined, which is also how these parabolic rallies are done, that people are sidelined, and when it runs away from them, they wanted to buy, but they didn't, and it then ran away, and then they are pissed and they are tweeting like, yeah, this is so high, it's going to come back down. People have been complaining on gold all the way from, I don't know how, like from here. People have been complaining how high gold is and how it has to go down. And it's all just people being pissed to be left out, and just to kind of, this is very little value in those kind of work and posts and videos. It's very little value in them. But anyway, the barometer is showing us that, of course, you must not be paying, like this line, for instance, is 6.5 thousand. I put the barometer there because you can actually, the fractal, you can stretch it, you can do it like that, actually, I could do it like this. It could also happen like that we are gonna have a double top this year. But it could also be that we're gonna have one last new all-time highs this year. So one way or another, this is also what I believe it's going to be the most likely for gold. A grind, now return to the mean, return to around 4.7 thousand ish, 4.6 thousand ish per ounce, and then grind, and then woo, blow off top again, like whoa, like parabolic, like yeah, gold 10,000, Mel Mattison 12,000 gold, and then so that's what I believe is actually the barometer. I kind of really, also as a confluence from my other work, I'm not surprised that barometer is showing what it's showing, because I was also analyzing a lot. I also made a video about it, how the gold behaved in the previous bubbles, in the previous bull markets, and actually there are like two big tops, and each of these tops is also from two tops, kind of. So that's why I think like this double top and then correction, or like I have drawn it and then correction. Oh, and actually very important, I was going to terminate the video, but I still have a few minutes, and it's very important to write you the notes to take away. Guys, this is super important. So first of all, point number 1, return to the mean of 4,000-ish per ounce, oops, not ish per ounce in Q1 2026. Point number 2, grinding upwards in spite of haters, all the way to the all-time high. That should happen around October. I should write September maybe, but whatever, I will write October. Point number 3, blow off top around November, December, crash December 2026. So these are the points to take away. Write them down, look at them every now and then, and let's keep coming back to these over a year to see how it works out.